So I wanted to show off the finished product of the homemade disc sander made from a fan motor. You can see down here how everything is put together. I could put a little cover over there and put some dust extraction on if I wanted to, but right now it doesn't really matter. If we glance over to this side here, you can see how it's all attached just by small little brackets. The table is the same as pretty much 65% of the body, just some melamine or melamine. It's got a really smooth surface. The disc is probably, I would roughly say, about 40 centimeters, so probably about a 20-inch or so. And then if we step over to the back, there's this thin sheet metal shield that I spray painted orange. And then if we look down into the inside, you can see there's actually a roller skate wheel with two brand new bearings that I pushed in. I end up washing the wheel and everything, and you can see how the disc is attached with a small little thin piece of, well, it's not thin, I guess it's half-inch plywood. So, and the controller, which mounts to the top of the cover, is actually rubber mounted to the cover itself. The cover is just held in by two screws, one on each side for now. I've got to put another two in each side. So yeah, coming along really well. I've actually mounted it to the workbench itself. If we look down here, you can see two little bolt holes, and then if we come around to the back, you can see it's mounted down to the workbench. So yeah, all around really good project. It's got a lot of power, and yeah, I hope everyone subscribes and comments on what everyone thinks of it.